Hello and welcome to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to restore backup using Samsung Cloud on Samsung S25 Ultra. Let's begin. Now, first thing to note, you need to have a Samsung account to do this. If you don't have one, you can use the option here. It's on the first options you see in settings in order to log in or register into one. Once you have it, you can scroll down and you will see Accounts and Backup option. We click it, and here there is a Backup option and Restore option. Because we want to restore data, we simply click the second one. And here we should have a list of all our devices that we have backups on. I'm going to choose this one. And here we can check which data we want to restore and which one we want to leave out. Let's say I really don't like my alarms because most of them are on 6 AM and I really don't like waking up on 6 AM, so I'm going to leave out the clock. But I'm going to restore everything else. We do want to install all other apps, and after a while all our data will be restored. After it's finished, you can simply click Done, and it will ask us if we want to delete other old backups now. And we can delete everything. And once it's done, we can click Done. And as you can see, we have no backups now since the backups before are now on this phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.